Hey everyone, it's Carl from lacois.com. Welcome to my channel. In this quick video, I'll walk you through what it means to roll a covered call, when it makes sense to do it, and how I personally use this strategy to manage risk and generate income over time. Let's get started. Rolling a covered call simply means you're closing one call option position and opening a new one, either with a different strike price, expiration date, or both. The goal? Adjust the trade without losing your stock. Maybe to avoid assignment, collect more premium, or change your outlook. There are 3 basic ways to roll a covered call, and each one serves a purpose. Roll out. Keep the strike, extend the expiration. Good if you're neutral and want more time. Roll up and out. Raise the strike and go further out. Ideal when you're bullish. Roll down and out. Lower the strike and extend. Useful in a pullback or choppy market. If your stocks run far above your strike, your call is deep in the money. You could let it get called away, or roll it higher. I often roll deep in the money calls to lock in profits and set a higher strike while still collecting premium. Rolling covered calls gives you flexibility and control, especially when the market moves fast. Want more detail, examples, and visuals? I've got a full guide on lacois.com. Links in the description. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. That's a wrap on today's breakdown. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more Renko trading insights. Don't forget the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next one.